Hello, welcome to Content Area Reading Week 1. At the end of the week, you will be able to define reading, identify reasons for this course, explain the components of the reading process, identify reading and thinking skills that are necessary for success in all content areas, and you will identify the role of interest in reading success. The assignments for week 1. Read chapters 1 and 2 of the Daniels Zemelman text. Print off and review the candidate syllabus, the assignments at a glance, and all of the rubrics. You need to view the PowerPoint link on Literature Circles found on week 1 on Moodle, and you also need to view the week 1 PowerPoint. You need to create a document to respond to the prompts and questions that are on the PowerPoint and drop them on the slot on Moodle titled PowerPoint Responses. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email and I will get back to you within 24 hours. Thank you.